I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace battery in Volkswagen Atlas key fob. Start by removing the mechanical key and prying the fob halves apart gently at the seam with a flat screwdriver. Keep track of orientation and the plastic retainer that holds the battery. Pop out the old CR2032, insert the new CR2032 with the positive side up, and press the halves together until they click. Finally, test the key functions before Start by sliding out the mechanical key and locating the seam along the fob edge. Use a small flat screwdriver or your fingernail to pry gently and separate the two halves without forcing them. Note the battery orientation and the plastic retainer so you can replace them exactly. Pop the old CR2032 out and put the new CR2032 in with the positive side facing up. Reassemble, test the lock and remote start, and you are done. If the key fob does not respond after replacement, check the battery contacts for dirt or corrosion and clean gently with a dry cotton swab. Confirm the new CR2032 is seated flat and the plastic retainer is aligned so the contacts press properly. If the fob still fails, swap in another new CR2032 to rule out a bad cell. As a last step, consult the owner manual for fob reprogramming or visit a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.